Hello everyone! In my previous video, I showed a daily routine for people who have thin layer of subcutaneous fat on their face. What's so special about this face type is that it's very easy to make it thin and super hard to restore the volume afterwards. It's important to keep balance between the right exercises and time to recover. If you do a complex rejuvenation, it's important to take care of your body posture and neck in order to improve nutrition of all tissues of your face. When blood flow is interrupted, tissues of your face don't get enough nutrients. And since all the structures of a face are layered, they get stuck between each other in some places, which forms fibrosis. Bone structures in the orbital zone are more shown, and places of muscle overcontraction are more visible, which again causes interruption in blood flow. Imagine that your face is a duvet. When you get it at first, it's so smooth and fluffy, even, and doesn't have bumps. But with the time, it gets more uneven and starts getting bumps. Same thing is happening to our face. You need to move and smooth out all of the structures in order to restore volume in your face, soften the ligaments, and remove muscle cramps. And now I want to show you a complex of exercises for people with a thin layer of subcutaneous fat that you can do by yourself 3 times a week. Starting off, as always, with loosening of the trapezius muscle and opening up of your chest. Massage your trapezius muscle by grabbing a fold of muscle and sliding it upwards. You should relax the whole area of the trapezius muscle. After that, an exercise to open up your chest. Put your hands on the back of your head, bow your head down, connecting the elbows. After that, bring your head up and bring your elbows apart, trying to connect your shoulder blades. Repeat it 10 to 15 times. After that, we are going to do a light lymphatic drainage, boosting the lymphatic nodes. You should place your pinkies right above your collarbones. Breathe in, then while breathing out, bring your shoulders to the front and press your fingers down. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. After that, softly massage the lymphatic nodes around your ears. Place your fingers in the way that you can see on the video, and in massaging motions move upwards. Move on to the scalp massage. Put your fingers on your scalp and move the skin in all different directions, trying to separate it from the bones. Move on to the softening of your forehead. Stick your fingers to your forehead and move the skin in all different directions. And move on to your temples. Place base of your palm on your temples and do circular motions, pulling the tissues upwards. You should not move along the skin. Now to loosening of the area between your eyebrows. With the tips of your fingers, rub the area between your eyebrows for about 30 seconds. Moving on to your eyebrows. Grab your eyebrows between your fingers and press them together, moving till the middle of your eyebrow. After that, relax those muscles. Now move on to your eyes. With your fingers, lift the corner of your eyebrow up, and with the tips of your fingers of the other hand, press throughout the area of the circular eye muscle till the orbital bone. Moving on to the strengthening of the upper eyelid. Place your fingers along the eyelash line and try to open your eyes 30 times. And move on to strengthening of your lower eyelid. Place your fingers next to the inner and outer corners of your eyes. Look upwards and try to close your eyes with your lower eyelid. Repeat it 20 times. Let's work with the nose muscles, starting off with the lateral nose muscle in order to get rid of the upper side of the nasolabial fold. Massage the area around the wings of your nose, slowly moving upwards. Now to the vertical nose muscle. Place your finger at the tip of your nose, lift it up, and try to bring it down by using the muscles of your nose. Now let's relax the circular lip muscle. It's also going to allow us to warm up the whole muscle as well as place of its attachment. For that, you should roll your lips around your teeth and start pressing them from the inside. From the side, it looks like you're chewing on your lips. Repeat the same thing for the outer corners of your lips. And get back to the middle of your lips. After that, do a frame exercise. Place your fingers around your lips as a frame and push your lips out like you're trying to blow a kiss. Move on to shaping of your cheekbones. Muscles of your cheekbones can either be overcontracted and therefore have cramps, or weak and not exercised enough. So, how can you understand which one do you have? When your muscles are weak and undertrained, your cheeks are normally flat and there is excessive skin in the lower part of your face like bulldog cheeks. And therefore the depressor muscles are overcontracted. On the other hand, when your cheekbone muscles are overcontracted, the middle part of your face normally has more volume, however, the nasolabial fold is very significant. For both cases, you should rotate exercising with loosening. Starting off with the exercise that is going to stretch out muscles of the middle part of your face. Place base of your palm on your temples, pulling the skin upwards, and form an oval shape with your mouse, feeling how the muscles are stretching out. Move on to exercising of your cheekbone muscles. Roll your lips around your teeth, place your hands on your face in order to prevent unwanted wrinkles, and try to smile. And now repeat the previous exercise again. If you have weak cheekbone muscles, you should do this strengthening exercise 10 more times. And now let's relax the depressor muscles that pull corners of our lips down. We are going to do an exercise from intraoral massage. Put your finger into your mouth and massage the place of the depressor muscle attachment, slowly moving up towards the corner of your lip. Now relax your chewing muscle. Place your fingers right on the chewing muscle and give it a good massage, moving in circular motions. The next exercise for stretching out the chewing muscle. Tap your fingers deep into the tissue in the corner of your lower jaw. Then slowly move upwards and open your mouth, feeling how your fingers are sliding along the muscle, elongating it. After that, move your fingers by 1 centimeter and repeat it again. And to finish off this complex, warm up your hands by rubbing them against each other and press through your whole face with very gentle motions. From the inner side of your face towards the outer side, moving down along the lymphatic flow. If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Click the bell to be the first one to see our new video.